Hi, I'm Rich Torrey, and welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. We're going to wrap up our brief tour through some of the classic characters and cartoons of the past today by drawing the wacky, hyperactive Woody Woodpecker. Woody was created in 1940 by Walter Lantz Studios and has gone on to star in nearly 200 cartoon features. Some version of the Woody Woodpecker Show was on television from 1957 to 2003, some 46 years of that insane laugh. As always, all you need to follow along with me today is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. All right, so let's draw Woody Woodpecker. We're going to draw Woody step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this pose, the bulk of Woody's body is 3 heads tall. In other words, however tall Woody's head is, his entire body is 3 of those, not counting his right foot or the feathers on his head. Add those and he's about 4 heads tall. Okay, so let's draw the roadmap for Woody Woodpecker. So there's a roadmap for Woody. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to know where to put some of the character's features. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. All right, so let's rough out the features of Woody Woodpecker. Okay, so there are the roughed out features of Woody Woodpecker. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of Woody Woodpecker. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. Okay, so let's draw in the details for Woody Woodpecker. Alrighty, there he is, Woody Woodpecker. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Woody before, you cannot expect to have drawn him perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring him during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Woody Woodpecker. With that, you can draw him again and again. And by all means, color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So now I'd love to see your drawing of Woody Woodpecker. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.